This is the one by one. It is very easy, but you will have to solve it for like you can solve it, but it's very easy. What the? Okay. Okay, we have to go on to the next one. Okay. Now, let's go on to the tower 2x2x3. Very mathful. But you'll accidentally end up by solving by yourself. But it's very easy, but it's very difficult. Okay, now let's move on to cube 3x3. Oh, wait a sec. What is this? I don't know. It's a mirror cube 2x2. But we'll learn more about that later. Okay. Okay. This is the cube 3x3. But I just solved it. I solved it in second bucket. But I only solved this in second bucket. Can you guys solve this 3x3? It's very easy and very practical. Let's see. Now let's move on to the next one. Which is cube 4x4. This is the cube 4x4. This is the cube 4x4. And the next one is probably and the next one is probably called cube 5x5. But it's very hard to solve. But hang on, we have to finish this before we have to get to the next one, and I will tell you. Now let's go on to the cube 5x5. The 5x5 is a very difficult one. I kept saying this for 5 minutes. Oops. Fill in the T gaps. And then boom, 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 boom. Okay. You know, it's very hard. I will show you the next one. It's called I have to tell you later. I have to finish this before I tell you. before I have to tell you, I have to finish this first. Then I'll tell you. This is the scab one. And you know, I like to hear this, but you might not want to know. Wait a sec, we have to see this first. Okay. Okay. Okay, boom, and then boom and boom. We finished this. Okay, this scab one is really easy, and the diamond scab too. Let me show you. The diamond scab is very difficult. You will not end up solving this part. Oh, I will make this colorful. Ow! Then we put this. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on to the Ivy Cube. This is the one I watched, the Ivy Cube. This one is the Ivy Cube. Oh, I will make it colorful. Only. It will be easy for yourself. You have to try this But you don't know. You cannot laugh in this. We are making. We are filling in the cubes. We are filling in the cubes, though. Let's keep going. And then that will be all. That would be all done, but I got saved by but we still have a long way to go. Boom. And then do this. And then do this. And then do it down there. Now we already solved it. I mean filled in, but we finished all. But okay, bye.